Photography equipment can be incredibly expensive, but it doesn't have to be. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top 3 photography accessories for all under £75. And I'm gonna start right now. Now, my first accessory is all to do with your camera, and that is to buy yourself a camera cage. Now, a camera cage is initially designed for video, allowing you to rig your camera up by putting monitors and sidearms on it, but I also think it's good for photography for 2 main reasons. First reason, it's protection. So basically it's like a metal shell surrounding your camera. Think of it like a lens hood. If anyone drops it or if anyone bangs into you, you've basically got a metal shell surrounding your camera to basically protect it. Now, another big reason is if you ever want to film any behind the scenes, because you've got bolts all basically around the camera cage, you can bolt another camera to it, or if you want to bolt a continuous light or your phone, you can do that with a camera cage where you could do it by attaching it to the hot shoe, but the hot shoe is quite delicate and it may end up breaking over time. Small Rig create a great selection of camera cages for pretty much any camera, and they're fairly inexpensive. My Canon EOS R5 camera cage only comes in between £50 to £60, so really good value for money. Now, my next accessory is actually to do with a brand new EU law. This law states that basically any electronic product now has to be charged internally via USB-C, which means a lot of camera companies these days are actually removing the external charging brick that you get in the box, which as a professional photographer, I can't charge every single external battery inside my camera. That would take ages, which is where I recommend buying this. This is a dual bay Hainel Pro Cube 2 battery charger. Now, this has got quite a few cool modular accessories. Basically, you've got this little plate on the top and it's replaceable. So depending on what battery you're charging, you can basically pop this little bay out and replace it with another one. You've also got these 4 contacts on the top, which basically means you can also charge AA batteries as well. So I can charge them for my flash guns as well as my camera. Now, what's nice is you've got a USB-C on the back, or you've got a 12-volt in. So you can charge it by basically plugging it into the back of your computer or laptop, but you can also charge it on the go as well. And as a travel filmmaker, and I travel all across the world, this always comes with me because I know I need to charge my battery. And it coming in between £60 to £70, great value for money. And my next accessory is an accessory that I absolutely love, but I don't see anyone else using it, and it is this. This is a Manfrotto Move quick release system. Now, we've all heard of quick release plates. You basically can attach your camera to a tripod and release it really quickly. But to think, no one's made a quick release system for your actual tripod head. And this is what this is. So basically you can change the tripod head depending on what you're doing. And as a hybrid shooter, this is an incredibly helpful little bit of kit. So for example, I own a ball head like this one. I can attach it really quickly, take it off, and then let's say I want to do some video, I can attach my video head really quickly and then take it off again. So yeah, it's a really handy little bit of kit, and I just don't see anyone else using it. So if you are someone like me that just wants one tripod, but you have a range of heads, buy this little system and you can quickly basically change the heads without having to unscrew them and get them stuck. Yeah, really handy bit of kit, and it's not that expensive, coming in at just around £75. Brilliant, and there we go guys. There are my top 3 photography accessories for all under £75. But of course, there are so many more accessories out there. So if you can think of any more, make sure to write it down in the comments below. I've been James for Photo Fever, and I'll catch you guys next time.